Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasvi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard maths. We have solved in our last session exercise 4.4 fourth question 2 examples. Now we will solve the remaining examples. Now see what is the question. Convert into seconds. I hope you all have done the home assignment. I asked you to solve the remaining questions in the rub book. Now just cross check your answers along with me. Now fourth one I will solve for you. See the fourth question. 1 minute 15 seconds. See 1 minute 15 seconds. Now here what we have to do? Yes, first they had given minute also and seconds also. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. You know that. Okay. Now so already 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So no need to multiply anything. Just here what we have to do, 1 minute 15 seconds. So seconds we have to add into the second. So 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds plus 15 seconds. 0 plus 5, 5, 6 plus 1 is 7. So answer is 75 seconds. So write once again, 1 minute 15 seconds is equals to 75 seconds. Do the bracket. Okay, in this way. Now next example I'll solve for you. Now we will solve sixth one for you. See the sixth one. 1 hour 30 seconds. See, they had given into hours. Now see, very important question. Don't be confused. Directly don't multiply by 60 because here they are not given minutes. They are given hours. Hours we have to convert into minutes. For that first we have to convert hours into minutes, then we have to go for the second. So here 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, isn't it? Now this is what? 60 minutes. Now we have to convert 60 minutes into second. So for that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So 1 hour is equals to, see how much? Tell me, 60 multiplied by, sorry, 1 hour, no, 60 minutes. Here what will come? 60 minutes. We are going to convert 60 minutes is equals to 60 multiplied by 60. 0, 0, write 2 times, 6 6 are 36. This is what? 3600 seconds. Okay. Now here we have to add 1 more seconds, that is 30 seconds. So 1 hour 30 seconds is equals to 1 hour we have converted into seconds, that is 3600 plus 30 seconds. So do the addition. 3600 plus 30, 0, 3, 6, 3. So the answer is 3630 seconds. So here write once again and write the answer and do the bracket. Is that clear? See what we have done. I'll explain you once again. Now in this question, previously they used to give minutes, directly we used to convert into second. But here to make you confused they had given hours here. But no need to worry. First hours you have to convert it into minute, then whatever the minutes are there, then you have to convert into seconds. So 1 hour, very easy. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay, so now here what we have to convert? 1 hour we have converted into 60 minutes. So the question is now 60 minutes and 30 seconds we have to convert into seconds. So 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds, this you know. So 60 minutes is equals to 60 multiplied by 60. To convert minutes into second, what we do? We multiply by 60. So I have done same, 60 minutes multiplied by 60. So 0, 0, right as it is, 6, 6 are 36. So answer is 3600. Here the answer is not completed. Here 30 seconds are there, we have to add those 30 seconds also. So write once again 1 hour 30 seconds, the question given. Or else you can write 60 minutes 30 seconds also here is equals to 3600 plus 30. So when we add this both the number, we get final answer is 3630 seconds. Clear? Yes. Now here to make you confused, one more question they had given, that I will solve for you, 7th one. One hour, 1 minute and 1 second. See, this 3 we have to convert into seconds only. Okay, very interesting. See, first we will convert hours into minutes. 1 hour is equals to how much, students? 60 minutes, isn't it? So we have converted hour. Now 1 minute, this is done. Now this one, 1 minute is equals to how much? 60 seconds, isn't it? And the last 1 second we have to just add into seconds. Now the question is 60 minutes, 60 seconds and 1 second, isn't it? Now 60 minutes we have to convert into, yes, seconds. So for that, see here, I'll write this later on. First 60 minutes we will convert into seconds. So when you want to convert minutes into second, we have to multiply by 60. 60 minutes multiplied by 60. Same 0, 0, right as it is. 6, 6 are 36. This is, we have converted 60 minutes is equals to 3600 seconds. Now we have question that 60 minutes, this is what? 60 minutes, isn't it? We have converted into 3600 seconds, and this one is 1 minute is equals to, already we know that, 60 seconds. So again no need to do, or else you can do also, already I have written here. Now directly I'll write question. Final 1 hour, 1 minute and 1 second is equals to 1 hour we have find out it, that is 60 seconds. 60 seconds we have converted into 3600 seconds. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds and 1 second we have to add as it is. Now together we have to add this number, 3600 plus 60 plus 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 6 is 6, 6 as it is and 3 as it is. So what is the answer? 3661 seconds. Is that clear? Yes? Is it interesting? Yes, very interesting. Okay? Understood? Clear? Or shall I explain once again? See, very easy question is there, don't be confused. See, to convert into seconds, they had given 3 hours also, minutes also, seconds also. So, seconds we have to add, but these two we have to convert into seconds. So, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Now, 60 minutes I convert into seconds. See here, 60 minutes is equals to, when you want to convert minutes into second, we have to multiply by 60. So 60 multiplied by 60, we get this. Now 1 minute, why I have not converted again? Because already we know that if the more minutes if they had given, we could multiply by 60. Already they had given only 1 minute, so 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So I have written as it is. Now this 1 hour means 60 minutes. Means we have converted into 3600. Now 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds, add 60 seconds and 1 second as it is. When we do this 3 numbers addition, we get the answer is 3661. So write once again question is equals to answer and do the bracket with pencil. Clear? Yes? Very good. Now we will solve 5th question. What is the 5th question? Convert into hours and minutes. See, they said we have to convert into hours and minutes also. Okay, by seeing the question we will solve. Now I'll start from first. See the first question. 65 minutes. Now first try to recall your memory. When you want to convert minutes into hours, what we have to do? Yes students, we have to divide by 60, isn't it? So here 1 minute is equals to how many seconds? Here not about seconds, here about minutes. See, you know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. When you want to convert minutes into hours, 65 minutes is equals to 65 divided by 60. We have to divide by 60 when you want to convert minutes into seconds. So we will divide this. 65 divided by 60. In 60 table 65 is there? No. What is less than that? 60 ones are 60. Do the subtraction. 5 as it is. 6 minus 6 is 0. So the quotient will be hours and the remainder will be minutes. Keep in your mind this thing. So what is the answer here? 1 hour 5 minutes. So write once again. 65 minutes is equals to 1 hour 5 minutes in this way, and do the bracket with pencil and scale. Okay, clear? Yes. Now we will solve some more examples. Now third one I will solve for you. See the third one, 600 minutes. Now we have to convert this minutes into seconds. So first, you know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So when you want to convert minutes into minutes into hours, we have to divide by 60, isn't it? So 600 divided by 60. Now we will do the rough work for the division. 600 divided by 60. Now in 600 table, in 60 table 600 is there? Yes. 60 tens are 600. 0, 0, 0. So what is the answer? This is hours, this is minute. Now minute, nothing is there, 0 is there. So what is the answer? 10 hours. Okay. So write once again question and write the answer. 600 minutes is equals to 10 hours. Do the bracket with pencil and scale. Okay. Clear? Yes, very good. Now last one more example I'll solve for you. Sixth one I will solve for you. See the sixth one. What is the question? 9009 minutes. Four-digit number they had given. So don't worry. In the same way we are going to solve how we have solved just now, in the same way. Okay. Now you know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Now when you want to convert minutes into hours, we have to divide by 60. So 9009 minutes is equals to 9009 divided by 60. Now this division is very important. Now we will do the division. 9009 divided by 60. 2 digit, start with 2 digit. Now 6 2s are 12. Okay, see, then 60 2s are 120. So we cannot divide with 2. We have to go by one quotient only. 6 1s are 60. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 6 is 3. Now bring down 0. Now see, 300 is there in 60 table. Yes, come on, tell me. Yes, shall we try with estimate quotient? I'll write here 300 and 60. Cut 0, 0, 30 and 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So the estimate quotient is 5. So I'll try with 5. 60 5s are. 5 zeros are 0, 5 6s are 30. See, exactly we got. So 60 5s are 300. Let's subtract 0, 0, 0. Bring down 9. Can we divide 9 with 60? No. So give 0. This is what? Hours, and this is what? Minutes. So now we can write the answer that 150 hours and 9 minutes. So write once again question. 9009 minutes is equals to 150 hours and 9 minutes. Okay, do the bracket with pencil and scale. Clear till here? Very good. Now we will solve sixth question. What is the sixth question? Convert into minutes and second. Now try to recall your memory. What we have to do when you want to convert seconds into minutes? Just vice versa. Yes. We have to divide by 60, isn't it? So we will solve now. Sixth one. Convert into minutes and seconds. First one we will solve. 480 seconds. See? Seconds, when you want to convert into minute, what we have to do? We have to, yes, divide by 60. Okay? You know that 60 seconds means 1 minute, or 1 minute means 60 seconds. Okay? 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So when you want to convert 460 seconds into minutes, you have to divide by 60. Okay? Now we will do the rough work for the division. 480 divided by 60. We will find out the estimate quotient, student. 0 0 cut, 6 ones are 6. Yes, in 6 table 48 is there. Come on, tell me. Yes, 6 8s are 48, isn't it? So we will try with same. 60 multiplied by 8. 8 zeros is 0, 8 6s are 48. See, exactly number we got. So 60 8s are 480. Do the subtraction. 0, 8 minus 8, 0, 4 minus 4, 0. So what is the answer here? 8. 8 is what? Minutes. See, we are doing conversion of seconds. So this is minute, and whatever will remain, that will be seconds. So write once again. 480 seconds is equals to 8 minutes. This writing is very important, students. Otherwise you will lose the marks here also. So what you have done exactly, whether you have converted into hours, minutes, seconds, if you don't write, how we will come to know? Not at all. So the very important, you have to write and do the bracket in this way by using scale and pencil. The presentation will be good. Now next, I'll solve third one for you. See the third one, 3600 seconds. Now same, first 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So when you want to convert 3600 seconds into minutes, we have to divide by 60. So 3600 division by 60. Now we will do the division for the rough work. 3600 divided by 60. Okay, estimate quotient. See, cut the 0 0, 6 is remaining. Now in 6 table 36 is there. Yes, come on, tell me, is it there? Yes, where it is? Yes, 6 6s are 36. Very easy. 6 6s are 36 and 0 will remain as it is, isn't it? So here 60 6 are 360. 0, 0, 0. Bring down 0. We cannot divide, so give 0 as it is. This is what? Minute, and this is second. So what is the answer here? 60 minutes. Isn't it? So write once again question. 3600 seconds is equals to 60 minutes. Clear? Yes? Is that clear? Very good. Now, last one more example I'll solve for you. Fifth one. Eight 20 second. One minute is equals to 60 seconds. So when you want to convert seconds into minute, we have to divide by 60. So 820 seconds is equals to 820 divided by 60. Now we have to divide this. See, we will do the division here. 820 divided by 60. Shall we go for the estimate? 820 and 60. Cut the 0, 0. Now we have 6 and 82. Now in 6 table 82 is there? Yes. Tell me. No. See, I can go with 6 ones are 6, 2 will remain, bring down to 6 twos are, sorry, 6 threes are 18. So here the estimate quotient is coming near about 13. So what I'll do, I'll try with actual number 16 multiplied by 13. See, 0 as it is, 6 threes are 18. I will give 0, then I will go with tens place. 1 zeros are 0, 1 6 are 6. We will add now 0, 8, 7. See, it is near about the same. So I'll write 16 13s are 7, 80. Now we will subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 8, we can't do. Cut the 2, write as it is, take borrow from neighbor, neighbor is having 8, he will give 1, here 7 will remain. Now 12 minus 8, count after 8 till 12 comes, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 4. And here 0. This is what? Minutes. And the remainder will be seconds. Are you getting? Yes. So what is the answer here? 13 minutes and 40 seconds. So write once again, 820 seconds is equals to 13 minutes and 40 seconds. Do the bracket with pencil and scale. See, this is very important, minutes and second. What you have done exactly, how you have converted. Rough work also very important, students. So rough work you have to do with pencil, not with pen. And you can draw one line here. Clear? Yes. So here we have completed our exercise 4.4. Isn't it? Now 3 examples I'll solve from 5th and 6th one. Now remaining 3 are very easy. You can solve by your own. Now try to solve by your own all the examples in your rough book. Now we will meet in our next session with addition of time. I hope you all have understood the exercise 4.4, and I hope you will solve this full exercise by your own in the rub book. So students, always practice the sums again and again. So without practice you will forget how to solve these sums. So I'll repeat once again. When you want to convert minute into second, divide by 60, seconds into minute. Sorry, when you want to convert minute into second, multiply by 60, and when you want to convert seconds into minute, divide by 60. Hours into minute, multiplied by 60. Minutes into hours, divide by 60. I hope everything is clear. Now we will see the addition of time in coming next episode. Till that time, bye bye, take care and thank you.